Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Starting on the weekly chart here, we are looking at NASDAQ all-time history, where we see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the yellow scenario, wave 5 to be completed, and we are currently, of course, inside it, and we would like, of course, to complete with it a wave 3 in the biggest impulse toward the upside. Now, if we are looking at an impulse towards, of course, higher prices again for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're gonna check this, of course, and much more on the daily. So on the daily chart, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Basically, if your wave 5 is finished, because as you can see, we have took the high, probably we still have a little bit, one more leg to finish this wave 5. In case it has finished, of course, then we have to consider all these waves has finished with it. And in that case scenario, once we finish this wave, I mean, it can be, of course, as well in a bearish scenario, but the low possibility, of course, that we are in an A, B, and a C, of course, here where you have an expanding flat. But I still believe that we still need one more leg towards the upside and moving impulsively, because this impulse is not finished yet. If we get a closer view on it here. As you can see, you have here probably, of course, as a zigzag ABC. It can be finished as a correction and no need for a bigger or wider ABC. And that means you can, of course, consider that this wave 4 has bottomed. And this is the highest possibility. And that means you are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 to finish one more leg with a wave 5 here and finish all these scenarios with it. Now also, if in case of a bearish scenario, which is less possibility, again I repeat, less possibility, is an expanding wave B. It's expanding wave flat, okay, because we have finished perfectly between the perfect fib levels for a wave B and an expanding flat, and so far it's still looking like a 3 waves toward the upside. And the possibility, of course, is a little bit far, but if you take a look here, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So if we take a closer look, we see kind of a leading diagonal, right? So if we have a leading diagonal here on the daily, you would see a bearish scenario, right? And again, with the same fib levels taken, of course, from that from that weekly. So which is, of course, 1.38 fib level and 1.23. Right, so these are the fib levels where a wave B can end in between them, right? And then having 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, finishing then this wave 4 exactly in this area. And meaning on the weekly, we can shift this wave 4 exactly to this area in case we are bearish, okay? Now, a much better confirmation for bullish and bearish if we are moving toward the downside. Now, as you can see, this reaction here, a very strong wick toward the upside again, moving for higher prices and not continuing toward the downside. You know, Elliott wave is always confirming somehow a bullish scenario after 5 waves. Let's say in this case scenario bearish, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, perfect. You want to see continuation, breaking exactly this high to confirm that we are bearish. But this did not happen. Therefore, I still, of course, consider the 1, 2 here probably as 1, 2, and then 3, 4, 5 for a final wave to the upside. And with that, of course, we're gonna finish all the scenarios for the bullish on the weekly, which are, of course, the wave 5 in the yellow and the wave 3 in the white, and of course, finishing then another wave 4 in the white and continuation toward the upside. Later on, of course, for a wave 5 in the white scenario. That was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.